Hello everyone, this video is for the CodeJam 2022, Round 1B, the first problem, Pancake Deque. You are given an array of integers from 1 up to 10 power 6, and n is the length of this array, from 2 up to 10 power 5. On each step, you choose an integer from the leftmost or rightmost of the array. The step counts only if the number is at least as big as the previous one. The first step always counts, since in that case there are no previous steps. Repeat this process until there's no integer left in the array. The goal is to maximize the steps that counts. Since we need to maximize the steps, and on each step there are only two possible moves, so we choose the smallest number among the leftmost and the rightmost on every step. Suppose we're given this array 2, 5, 7, 4, 5, 1. Compare the leftmost 2 and the rightmost 1. 1 is smaller. We choose 1. The current max is now 1. The first step always counts, so the current count is 1. Then we compare the leftmost 2 and the rightmost 5. We choose 2. Since 2 is not smaller than the current max 1, this step counts. Count is now 2. The current max is now 2. Then compare the leftmost 5 and the rightmost 5. They're the same. Either is okay. Since 5 is not smaller than the current max 2, this step counts. Count is now 3. The current max is now 5. Then compare leftmost 7 and the rightmost 5. We choose 5. Since 5 is not smaller than the current max 5, this step counts. Count is now 4. The current max is still 5. Then compare leftmost 7 and rightmost 4. We choose 4. Since 4 is smaller than the current max 5, this step doesn't count. Count is still 4. The current max is still 5. There's only 7 left. We choose 7. Since 7 is bigger than the current max 5, this step counts. Count is now 5, and 5 is the final answer. Let's take a look at the code. Define two pointers L and R. One starts from the leftmost and one starts from the rightmost. And the result starts from 0. The current max is the smallest among the leftmost and the rightmost number. While L is not bigger than R, we compare the number on the leftmost and on the rightmost. Always choose the smallest side. If the number we choose is not smaller than the current max, update the result. Update the current max. Then update the pointers as well. The time complexity is O(n), and the space complexity is O(1). Thanks for watching.